Hi everyone, it's Irina and today we're making soup in our food processor using the blender mix. Now you might ask what that is. Now it's this little device here. So when you've unwrapped your Magimix food processor, you can find it just under the juicer, like that's how they stored it. So this little device fits inside of your main bowl. And it actually changes the direction of whatever it is you're mixing to create a vortex so that it resembles the same as a blender would do, because a blender has this sort of movement. So that's what happens. So there's little holes in here and little legs that actually change the direction. So we're going to make cauliflower leek soup with some cashew nuts. Now I've already boiled that up. And you know, it's all been cooked, and what I've got here is cauliflower, a leek, I've got a stick of celery, and I've got a handful of cashew nuts and some garlic, and that's cooked up in, I put it in a chicken stock, but you can use a veggie stock. That's really entirely up to you. So that's it there, and so we're going to pop this thing inside. You'll see, just like so. That's all you do. You've got your blade in here. You pop that inside. And now we're going to put the soup in. Now this is all very big chunks of everything. So I'm just popping that in. There you have it. All the big chunks of cauliflower and leek. There we go. It's beautiful the way it actually really cuts it right up nice and thinly. So it's just amazing, really smooth. And that's the whole idea of it. So just pop some more there in there like that. Okay. So I've got that on. Put our lid on. Pop that on. And we're going to just switch that off. So you'll actually see it chops it up and then changes the direction of the actual content of the soup. So, and that's all you need to do. It makes it really smooth. So there you go. Now this is it's a paint, you can see the soup in there. It's really beautiful. And this is a painted design by Magimix, so it's exclusive to them, and it allows you to have the blender effect inside your food processor. So let's just see what the soup's like. So let's just pour it out. Oh, there we go. All right. So there's our beautiful soup, and it's really fine. It's chopped up all of that lovely cashew nut and all the garlic and everything else up beautifully. And there's our lovely, lovely soup. So it's so easy. You can just, in minutes, you can do it. So go and use your blender mix. I think it's a great idea how it does that and allows you to have that really fine, smooth result. Okay, I hope you use it. See ya.